आप सब लोग अच्छा आज की जो वीडियो है आपको टाइटल से पता चल ही गई होगी कि वीडियो का टॉपिक क्या है। ठीक है, तो आपको जो है वीडियो के टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा कि वीडियो क्या है। तो वीडियो ये है कि हम आपको बताएंगे कि ये जो गूगल की साइट किट नियो प्लगइन आई है, एक्चुअली अब नियो तो नहीं रही इतनी, फिर भी जो है अभी नियो ही है। तो बहुत से लोगों के क्वेश्चंस थे कि यार इस प्लगइन को कैसे सेट करना है, तो मैं इंग्लिश में बताऊंगा आपको, ठीक है, ताकि ये वीडियो सबको समझ आ सके। सो दिस वीडियो विल बी इन इंग्लिश। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर सेटअप. First we need to start setup. Before that you must log into your Google account. Okay, if you have any Google account, then first log into that, then go to your WordPress dashboard, where you manage your website. Then go to plugins, then download G Site Kit. Okay, Google Site Kit. Then we are now going to start our setup, and we are going to link our Google account with this plugin, or analytics with this plugin, or AdSense with this plugin. We can do much more things now with this plugin. This plugin will report us 24 to 7 hours about our performance, about our website traffic, users report, etc, etc, analytic reports, search console, web click searches, your daily earning. Like this plugin is very helpful. Okay, so what we are going to do is going to start click on first go to click on this button. Let's click on this button, start setup. Okay, now what this is saying, verify site ownership. Okay, then allow apkmove.com to access Google account data, set up search console. Okay, so now sign in with your Google account. This is the must thing you need to do. Just click on sign in with Google. So guys, we have done our first step. Now verify your site ownership. Okay, just click on proceed, and it will automatically do that for you. Okay, just wait, I think the internet connection is too slow right now. You are a verified owner of apkmove.com. Okay, this the greatest thing of this plugin is that it will automatically verify your domain. Okay, when you are logged in your WordPress dashboard, you just need to install this plugin, you just need to set up, then this plugin will automatically verify your ownership for your domain, for your website. Okay, now just click on allow. And now just click on we will add apk move to search console. So click on add site and everything is done. Congratulations, you have successfully set up site kit. You can now see how your site appears in search, how many visitors you got from search, how your popular pages and how people find them from search, and your AdSense earning and your analytics reports and so much. Okay, so click on go to my dashboard. Now we are going to set our analytics, AdSense. Currently I have not AdSense, so I'm leaving that. So what I'm going to do is to what we can link with this plugin is search console, AdSense, analytics, page speed insights. Okay, so right now what I'm going to link is I'm going to link analytics. So this is saying that looks like you don't have an analytics account yet. Once you are okay, so I'm going to create an account on my analytics. Okay, so I'm going to create a Google Analytics account. Then we will set up back other settings. Just write new account, click on next. We need to measure our website just, so click on next. My website is apk mode, it's https apkmood.com. So the reporting time zone is Pakistan, and the category is it's included in science, we can say. Just click on create and select from here, select Pakistan. If you are from Pakistan, then select that. Okay, so just select that and I accept. And now our analytics account is set, and now you don't need to place any any code in your header. It will automatically now fetch your account, new account, APK mode, all website data. Okay, so just click on configure analytics, and it will automatically now configure your analytics account. Okay, so our now our search console is connected, our analytics is connected. If you have AdSense account on your Google account, then you can connect from here, and if you have PageSpeed and site servers, then you can connect from here. Okay guys, if you have any questions related to Google site plugin, do ask below in the comment section. I will reply you in just minutes, and I will help you. I'm ready to help you 24/7 hours. If you have any question or problem, do ask now. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.